Okay, what it looks like is this. I sit down, I load it up, I sight in.
Yeah, I know.
Then I put my finger on the trigger.
Yep.
Still on safe. Just to let you know. Nice. Good. Hit.
Yeah, it also hit my face.
Hit. Now you push the gun high left. Yeah. High. Again. Pushing it down while you shoot. Hit.
Alright, which ones are the bullets for the SKS?
These.
Alright.
You want more?
Yeah, now push the bottom of the barrel, and not the front. I don't remember now.
Speed it up. Alright, you're up. Better hurry.
Alright.
High. Hit. Right. Hit. Hit.
Ow, my balls.
Want more?
Yeah, right, I'll let him.
Save time. British snipers we work with never do a two-person reload.
Ready?
Yeah. Aim.
Too high.
Left. Doesn't matter how fast you shoot if you miss. Hit. Jerk the trigger. High right. You're empty. More?
Yeah, my favorite rifle out of all these is definitely the SKS.
SKS can be a really fun gun to shoot.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Watch your aim. Slow. Hit. High.
Ah.
Hit.
Too high?
No hit.
Alright, more.
Make these count. Your aim here, pay attention. High.
Too high.
High again. Right. Don't end on this one. Right. Hit! That was your last shot.
Alright.
Good hit. You done with this one too?
No, definitely not. I'll go for this one. Alright, so how do you reload this? Because I want to put a mag in there for myself.
I don't really have time to teach you that right now.
Okay.
But you can get down to work.
Alright, like, now how light is this weapon?
Light.
Oh.
You want to stand up with it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you stand with it. It's still on safe.
Alright, now, where's the safe mechanism?
Here. Let go for a
I
second,
guess I'll
because
sit down.
we're going to shift over real quick. Over here.
Okay.
You want to stand with it?
Now, I'll just sit and shoot for this one. And then for the next mag, I guess I'll stand.